These next 2 weeks, we are going to be talking all about show preparations. This week, we are going to be focusing on makeup, our hair, costumes, again, about things that should be in our dance bag, but this time specifically for a show. Talking about our shoes and practice, mental prep, all that work that goes into a show. We understand that dancers everywhere right now are unable to perform. However, it's still an important part of training. It's an important part of what we do as dancers. It's our way of taking all of our hard work in the studio and applying it, kind of like a test at the end of a year. It's a great way for us to engage with our fellow dancers and our audiences, and it's just a wonderful way to let our talent shine through. With everything going on in the world right now, I know it's not easy when we're missing out on the number of shows that we should be doing right now and what would have been happening this time of year for most dancers. We still feel that it's important to go over though, and hopefully it'll help us come back even stronger when we're able to return to the stage and to the studio. I will see you tomorrow as we start talking about our show makeup. I will see you then.